Oh, and it needs to. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, good. Yep.
1 minute left.
Yeah, exactly. I'm with you there.
45 seconds.
Still doing all those awards. You're the man. Hey, Swayze. Hey, Kimberly.
I know. Still terrible.
Just gotta feel for the person, know when you want to walk and when you want to run.
30 seconds.
This guy's not shy. Oh shit, I forgot my starting blocks.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grow!
Jingle bells.
Hey, Andy.
Hey, morning.
What, this is? Well, I think we're playing 3 for 20 hours.
Is that what you're going to do?
Well, I'll mix it up.
Well, you know, you got 20 hours and that means that we can have sex.
There goes those darn runners.
And that's live from Greece when you do it for the other 23 hours and 45 minutes of the day. It's sad though, you're doing a Greece reference.
A little bit.
You know what? I don't know if you even know what it is. Mr. I'm 31.
I actually really hate Grease. I've like never watched the whole thing.
You know what? I don't know how we're friends. Okay, we are like the music group right here. He knows way more songs than I do. Oh no. I go to Chicago. That's probably the only one we know together. Lady is.
I've been listening to Boy from Mars.
Well, next door. Like the people. It's Hugh Jackman.
Andy.
In fact, he's doing The Greatest Showman. It's going to be a movie musical next year.